Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel today. We're taking a look at the intriguing Ajanta Quartz wall clock. The Ajanta Quartz wall clock is a striking piece of decor that combines sophisticated design and precise engineering. This quartz movement clock is the perfect blend of form and function with its sleek and stylish appearance and its precise timekeeping abilities. Whether you're looking for a focal point in your living room or a practical addition to your office, the Ajanta Quartz wall clock is an excellent choice. So, why choose this particular quartz wall clock? 1. The sophisticated design. The Ajanta Quartz wall clock has a timeless elegance that will suit any interior decor. 2. The precision its quartz movement ensures accurate timekeeping for years to come. 3. The affordability. This clock offers great value for money with its stylish design and reliable performance at an accessible price point. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a new wall clock, consider the Ajanta Quartz wall clock for its stunning design, precise timekeeping, and affordable price tag. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content on home decor and lifestyle trends. Until next time, stay stylish.